Imagine you're scrolling through social media and you stumble upon a stunning profile filled with vibrant, neon-lit photos. The aesthetic is captivating, and you can't help but wonder, is it a filter, or is there something more to it? Today, we're diving into the world of neon accounts. Is it really as glamorous and free as it seems? Let's find out. Neon accounts have taken the internet by storm. They're characterized by their distinctive use of neon colors, bold typography, and a general edginess. But what sets them apart is the ability to create visually striking content that stands out from the crowd. So, why are neon accounts so popular? One reason is their aesthetic appeal. Neon colors evoke a sense of energy, excitement, and modernity. They're perfect for capturing attention and creating a lasting impression. Another reason is the versatility of neon accounts. They can be used for a wide range of purposes, from personal branding to business promotion. Whether you're an artist, a fashion blogger, or a small business owner, a neon account can help you showcase your work and connect with your audience. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is a neon account free? The short answer is, it depends. While there are many free tools and resources available to help you create neon-inspired content, some elements may require paid subscriptions or purchases. For example, if you want to use premium stock photos or videos with neon effects, you may need to pay a licensing fee. Additionally, some advanced editing software or tools may come with a cost. Breaking down the costs. Let's break down the potential costs of a neon account. Stock photos and videos. While there are many free options available, high-quality stock content can be expensive. Editing software, Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro are popular choices for creating neon effects, but they can be costly. Neon lights and props. If you want to create physical neon-inspired content, you'll need to invest in lights and props. Finding free alternatives. Fortunately, there are many free alternatives available to help you create a neon account. Here are a few suggestions. Free stock photo websites. Websites like Unsplash and Pixabay offer a vast collection of free stock photos, including many with neon themes. Free editing software. GIMP and Canva are powerful free editing tools that can be used to create neon effects. DIY neon lights. There are many tutorials online that show you how to create your own neon lights using LED strips and other materials. So, is a neon account free? While there may be some costs involved, it's definitely possible to create a stunning neon account without spending a lot of money. The key is to be creative, resourceful, and willing to experiment with different tools and techniques. With a little effort, you can create a neon account that is both visually appealing and affordable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.